In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a person to be seen by all on Zoom. If you want everyone in your Zoom meeting to focus on one specific speaker, the feature you're actually looking for is Spotlight. This is useful for presentations, classes, interviews, or any meeting where one person needs to stay visible for all participants. To do this, start by making sure you're already inside your Zoom meeting. Then find the person you want everyone to see. Look for their video tile in the meeting window. Once you've found it, move your mouse over that person's tile so the controls appear. In the top right corner of their tile, click the More Options icon. From that menu, choose Spotlight for everyone. As soon as you click it, Zoom may show a pop-up message letting you know that spotlighting this person will remove all pinned videos. This is normal, and it simply means that Spotlight takes priority over individual pinned views, so the selected person can be shown to all participants consistently. To confirm the action, click Continue. Once you do that, that person will be spotlighted and visible to everyone in the meeting. This is the key difference between pinning and spotlighting. Pinning changes the layout only for your own personal view, while spotlighting changes the active, visible speaker for everyone in the session. So if your goal is to make sure all attendees see the same person, Spotlight is the correct option. One important thing to keep in mind is that you need to be the host or a co-host in the Zoom meeting to use this feature. If you don't see the Spotlight for everyone option, that usually means you don't currently have the right permissions. In that case, you'll need the host to either perform the action themselves or assign you co-host access first. A quick tip before you do this: make sure you choose the correct participant, especially in larger meetings where many video tiles are visible at once. Taking a second to confirm the right person can help avoid interrupting the flow of the meeting. And that's all there is to it. That's how to pin a person to be seen by all on Zoom by using the Spotlight for Everyone feature.